Okay. That was my, well, I'm here now. Took my sweet time starting up, but that's okay. But anyway, welcome back to the fun video game. What am I working on? Right, I got this done. Got my, what's it called? Video game stuff. We can customize the appearance now of Jackie's mom. Because there's this dynamic character that changes based on the main character's memories. So let's see. Did I press the right button? I don't think I did. Oh, I did. Okay. So let's do... So I can choose what she wears. So let's do... This is sort of... And right now I'm just testing green and pink skin colors because I don't have any specific ones in mind. So I set all of these. And so soon I'll actually have different things and also something better than this like garbage placeholder texture. And actual hairstyles that she should have. She needs 2 more hairstyles at least. And she needs, what else does she need? I guess I can just go back to my, oh wait, I don't need to save there. Oh well. And away I go. See ya. I've been contemplating doing things like having like the stream overlays and stuff, but I like having... I basically use this stream as B-roll as well. Did I start Krita? Did it just not start up? Is it just taking its time? Just hanging out, I guess? Oh wait, I already started it. Okay. Okay, so we have this one mostly done. We need some puffy pants with like sandals. We need something, probably not this. Yeah, much more sensible shirt situation. Some still large but not quite as unmanageable hair. Did I actually get this accurate? Hang on. I think I might want this hair to be bigger. Maybe. It's really taking its time. What is this? Like, what takes so long? Is it just the fact that I have this armature? Actually, now that I think about it, it might be. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get the outfit. Or a dynamic character. I wonder if I can copy all properties and paste... It drives me insane that my throat constantly catches like that. It's like infuriating. I need to like, well, I don't know. I guess I don't need to go to like a doctor about it or something, but I don't know how to fix that. Like, it's just a thing that I constantly have. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, so that way when I click this, it takes like 5 seconds to load up because it's loading all these bones and drawing the UI, and that's really slow. So that's dead. And then we're gonna do dictionary outfit. This is gonna be now skeleton slash this, that, the other. Excuse me. And I think everything else will be fine, because I think I always use... Yeah, I don't get nodes directly otherwise. Okay. Let's test that in here. So that way, now I can switch between the outfit node and like the other nodes without it being really annoying. Oh, I guess I can't. Ah, okay. Let's do override armature. High material, that's okay, I guess. Well, is that... And do I need this thing? Like, do I use this anywhere? Oh, I guess I do. Wait. Oh, yeah, I do. Okay. Sorry, I was coughing. Okay. That looks good. Why is she... Should she be blue by default? I don't think she's supposed to be blue by default. Maybe I put the skin material defaults outfit maybe? Oh, it's because I put this here. What if I don't have this though? Oh wait, I know. I understand now. It's because I forgot that this outfit is what I use. And also I realized that there's a bug in my current setup that I'll have to figure out. But basically, if the player actually does anything to set the outfit, everything else is going to be default. So let's do, like, for example, if I do this and then I back out of that, nothing else has been set. So everything else should be default, but it's not. As we can see here. So let's do for slots in, or for key in defaults.keys, if not outfit, or if not key in outfit, key equals. There we go. So if it doesn't have it set to anything, that means that I didn't fully set up the whatever it is, the outfit. So it needs everything there. Let's try that again. So let's do shawl, and then back out of that. See if that works. Does. And that gives us this. Wait. But that's not right, though. Because I might need... I know what I think I might need. I don't think this should be the defaults, actually. Because the thing here, this is not a like, this is just the outfit that's loaded in, because this is what I initially modeled the character with, but this isn't actually her final version. Like, this isn't any, like, special... Like, there's nothing special about this outfit, actually. So what I need is to do, GLB characters mom. I might need to, I just realized how I can do this. I can just do, import. Oh, whoops. Mesh. Re-import. If I rename those, I think that should work. That'd be fine. Where's for now, let's make these built in again, because I'm going to delete these. So let's do like eyebrows, full body, hat, head. So this way I can keep this as a separate file, because what I'm going to do now is instead of setting it to null, because the defaults are actually going to be the outfit that I have initially. So it's going to be function ready. Defaults equals outfit dot duplicate. She does actually need eyebrows, though. Wait, no. She doesn't need eyebrows. She doesn't need... Well, she would need a full body. So what I'm going to do now... Let's get this. Now what I'm going to do is get these as meshes. Full body... object. So we also need hat. Skin color, skin texture. I think I need. And we need, I guess, just another object there. Add that. And where is skin clear? Skin texture. So yeah, now setting it to null like this, I can actually do this. So full body null, that's fine. Head null. Let's do this. And I guess maybe this. Well, oh wait, no. I need a different way of doing this. Let's do like set outfit. For key and defaults dot keys, if not key and outfit, or outfit key equals default. So now I can just set it to the string default, and I have to add that here. So if value is string and p value not equal to default. So instead of setting this to null, default. Actually, it'll have to be, so this one's not going to be the default, because the shawl is no longer default. This one's kind of messy. I'll have to refigure out how I'm going to do this, but underscore hats dot mesh. Yeah. Actually, and it's dynamic mum. Oh wait, this is going to be... Let's do if p value dot awful workaround here. What if I just did outfit slash default or something like that? I'll figure that out soon. Let's just do, I guess this, gives me the stuff that I need. It's gonna be mum eyebrows. But this way, when they're in shadow, default. What was that? Why is this? Hang on. This is important. My Outlook is giving me notifications. I hate that. Email is not important enough to give me notifications. Because I got a new phone, and I wound up accidentally... So I tried to install a de-googled Android on it, but it turns out... So this is an Xperia 10 Mark IV, and I found an OS that was compatible with Xperia 10, but it didn't specify Mark IV, and I should have realized that that was the issue. So I wound up setting up everything on my phone. And I was like, well, I hate this. You know, I don't want to have a bunch of Google stuff. So yeah, none of that, none of that, none of... Yeah, the rest of these are not allowed. But, and then, so yeah, I went through the work of like unlocking the bootloader, flashing the bootloader onto there. It was corrupt. It went into a boot loop. It was unusable. I had to then use a flash tool to flash the OS, the original version of the OS on. And I was like, okay, cool. And then I was like, okay, I set it up how I want. Now I'm going to lock the bootloader. And it turns out when you lock the bootloader, it deletes all of the data on your phone and resets it again. And I didn't know that, but okay, let's do a skin color default. Let's do all of these as default. Eyes, eyebrows, head. So yeah, messy garbage there. That's okay. What I think I should do is have like outfits slash them slash and then just the name of the outfit, and then it'll have all of its subcomponents in there. So I guess mum is gonna be the like entire model is just gonna be in an outfit or something. Wild tangle. A simple dress. Let's do this purple maybe. And I don't remember what color her skin was. Yeah. Just say it's not equal. What's the big deal? Okay, how do I compare? Okay, Godot. Object or type Variant equals? Hmm. It's like, how do I just compare two values without crashing? I guess I can just do or outfit key is string and I mean, I feel like I should just be able to just compare two objects. Like, it's a dynamically typed language. Why is equality a crashing bug? Or, like, a thing where it's going to kill the thing and fail out of the function? Like, that doesn't make any sense. Because it's a dynamically typed language. I can set anything I want in that dictionary, so why is it... Whatever. Let's do a wild tangle. A simple dress. I don't remember. And I don't remember. So she should basically be set up as the default. Oh. Well, why is that not valid? I mean, it's there. So nodes... Oh, nodes is empty. Oh, I messed up something. When did I delete that? I do way too many things when I edit code before testing it. Let's do a wild tangle, simple dress. I don't remember. And I don't remember. Okay, she seems about right. This material for her dress, though, that's going to be... I know. It's because the materials are no longer saved in a separate thing. Oh, wait, no. But there's a seam. Is that UV mapped properly? Or is that just a weird seam in the model? Backspace out of this. I don't like this song. I'm gonna skip this one. Let's get a cool outfit. Let's do the boots. Let's do purple eyes. Let's do... I don't remember. Any skin. So now she's not quite correct. Oh, it's because I need to set the hat to null when I set the hair. So that's going to be... So if we go here, if hat, outfit hair equals null. If hair, outfit hat equals null. But why did that not work? Now let's go back here. Let's see if there's anything that I did. So if the key is not in outfit, does this operator work the way that I think it does? Because I think it might actually return the value of the thing. Let's see. Godot in operator. Let's go back, let's refresh. Oh. That's an interesting one. I mean, I can plainly see set shader param on base null instance on a null instance. Is it M? No, but is it get surface? If M and M dot get surface material count greater than 1. What I need is actually... Oh, I know. I need an eye material. That's just, So we're not going to fiddle with any of this at all. We're just going to do... And also, if m.get surface material count greater than 1, 1 eye material. So what I'm going to do... What is this one? Why is this here? Oh yeah, this is the outfit. That's fine. So yeah, I don't need this at all. And what is this? Variable m is declared. Oh yeah, I don't need that. See, this is declared. So that should fix something. I don't know what I fixed, or I don't know what was broken, I should say. I'll double check, because it seemed like I set the or I didn't set the outfit, maybe. So I have this here. So that's not right. That's not correct. I don't know why that's the case. So if I do this, wait, what if when I do this, so I'm going to remove this part. Because what I'll do instead is I'll just set the outfit to because this is no longer my thing. So what I can do is if defaults only outfit equals defaults, because I'm not using this as a tool script anymore. I had to do because I had to do a bunch of weird stuff to make sure that I didn't break the entire thing. But now I can just set that. But that's not going to fix what I'm doing here. So let's do. Well, would that fix? I think I need to go here to refresh. Okay, so we have all that. Hiding the hair, showing the hat. Wait, why are we showing? Why are we? What's our outfit? What's our hat? What? Where's the mesh? Mum hat. Okay, hang on. Do I just have the outfit set up wrong? Oh, I do. Oh, wait, no, I needed that. Okay, so that answers that question. And also, by default, we won't have this. I guess I can just nil. There we go. She's gonna have no eyebrows at all. And who cares? Let's just skip that for now. Perfect, looking great, looking fantastic. Let's talk to this guy again. Let's get a shawl. Let's keep the simple dress. Let's get purple. Purple eyes, pink skin. So I'm seeing some issues here. Oh wait, I know what it is. All right, let's try again. Okay, let's see also if the defaults are still here. Okay, and everything else is the same. So I need to expand that a little bit or shrink her head in a little bit. I guess otherwise she looks okay. Okay, so I need to better organize my outfits. Oh, and also, what is this? Oh yeah, this material's fine. 'Cause that's my funny little, I think, yeah, that's fine. But what I should do, entities, NPC, well, she's not really an NPC though. Like the NPC is the medium itself, she's just part of it. Let's go to outfits. Where's outfits? This is important stuff. Did it work? Oh, it's okay, cool. It was because I specifically put it here by mistake. Hmm. So I want this, I guess I want all of this out of here maybe? Like, cause I can put this like here or like, so I'll just do that for now. So let's do like, it'll be like full body slash. Hmm. Okay, I also need, hmm. Let's get these, I guess I need material slots still. So let's go back to my export. So I need to actually export these. It'll be outfits, full body. Somewhere in here. Here we are. And I don't think, do I use this anywhere? Oh, okay, I do. But what if I put this in hair slash primordial hair? I guess I'll override it. Oh, I already have, oh, okay, I see. Let's just see if anything works anymore. And I guess I'll do it in the real game because I loaded that. Oh, yeah, I don't know if I showed off the stars very much. Oh yeah, I think I did last time. Yeah, those are cool. They're stars. See, okay, so that's all busted. Oh, did I actually set the eye material to anything? Hang on. Oh, wait, no, I did. Yeah, the eye material is supposed to be something. I see that it's not. But I see it is here. Mum.gd. Oh, wait, it's... Okay, I see. Hang on. What is this? Wait, what? So this... When did I get... What is this? Because this is actually... Where's... Oh, okay, I see. Armature skeleton head get surface material. Let's do armature dot eye material. Okay. Video game working. Oh, her neck. Her neck is the wrong color. You can see it in there. Do I want... I think I want the rest of her head also. Hang on, let's do clipping. Let's just like mash these in here. Perfect. That's how... This is how heads are formed for human beings. And then... Oh. Wow, so many just awful... like edge loop things here. Like, look at this. Okay, let's get this a little bit more let's do... This part right here looks very bad, but, well, this part especially. Do I need any of this? Like, could I just, like, collapse this part here? Oh, it's because of this. Well, just do that. And then I don't even know what this is. I guess it's fine. I'll do that. And I'm going to pull her nose forward a little bit, because I feel like her face is a little flat. So I feel like I could do, like... You know what I'm saying? You see what I'm... You see... You're picking up what I'm putting down? I don't like that sort of, like, overbite, though. I did a little too much. I wonder if I can copy the graph from one material to another. Because what I need is, I need the matte mum to have this alpha. But I'm fine with that for now. Okay. So where am I? These materials, this thing. Just have the correct material. Oh wait, no, I need main. So I want... Well, what sort of hardness could I get on here? Let's do like a test light. I don't like that, like, theme right here. So I could just remove this. I'm pretty sure. Let's just dissolve that edge. And I think that would mitigate most of that. Oh, I know what I need. Okay. Where is my name? And then, let's get this down to where it was again. Do it like that, maybe? So let's close this, open it again. Why is this not here? Because this should be... Oh wait, let's try re-importing the GLB again. So that's here. So why is this not working? Like this should be just working. Oh, and I see that I did not grab all of the appropriate stuff here, but oh well. Because this color is from the vertex color, so I must have grabbed this part and not this part. Oh well. So I need... What do I need here? Well, I guess I need it here, because it needs to be part of the outfit. So what is this material? Like, did I import this wrong? These use materials, and we keep them on re-import. Maybe I just need to close it and reopen it? Nope. Okay. Now we're in something confusing. Like, what is this? Where is this material at? Like, what is this? Because it should be this material. Or this one. Like, this is the right material. Oh, also, she needs her hair color, though. I think. What did I set for this? So I guess for hats. Hello, can I like press L, please? Why do I have so many like What did I do to this thing? Like, why are there so many, like, sharps everywhere? Like, wait, hang on. Did I press a button? Without... I did press a button. I pressed Alt-L, I think. Okay. There is something strange going on with this, though. Do I have, like, an edge split? No. Like, what is this? What is this line here? How did I accomplish that? Oh, sorry, I just... Oh, wait. No, okay. Also, very beautiful hair here. Yeah, good enough. So we are going to add this to a separate material. So this is going to be new Matt's mom. That'll be assigned, and it'll be a brownish reddish color, whatever it is. Right, because I need hair color as well in here. I guess. Let's do a coat shader. Hair. Or let's do hair palette. Hair detail. New gradient texture. Let's save this material. Alright, let's make it unique. Then let's save it. And we'll save it. We'll overwrite this. Did I remember to put that in the right place? I think so. This is a mess. Because ideally, I would want each of these to be able to split up into multiple folders, I think. That's what I'd want. Maybe, ideally. But I have no idea. And I have no idea what this is. I don't know what this line is. Like, I don't have an do I have a... normals? Oh, I have auto smooth set to 30 degrees for some reason. Why did I do that? I mean, I'll just do 180. Like, did I accidentally press a combination of buttons that somehow did that? But okay. Now maybe, just maybe, the materials will work properly. Because somehow, the meshes are not getting their materials saved, or they're not referring to the same materials, even though the materials don't exist anywhere else. Also, the computer is dying. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hang on. Hang on. Uh-oh. Hang on. Okay, Godot is dying. It took it a bit. Okay. So for some reason, sometimes when it loads, it just decides that it wants to take like 100 times as many resources as it normally does, and like devastate my CPU. I saw like a glitch there. I don't want to do this. No. I don't want to fiddle with that. Okay, I can't actually tell. Do I want to deal with this stuff? Are these the right materials? These look like it, I guess. But why is... Oh, it doesn't refer to... Hang on. I want to see... I don't like this. Let's go to the proof of concept. Let's see if I can get the shawl properly. And then I'll need to, in the hat material and in the hair material, I'll need to start creating the hair. Let's get... Her hair is the shawl, and everything else is default. Because I want to be able to see, because I can't tell. Okay, that does... Well... I guess maybe it's correct? The light is so bright. Why is the light so bright, though? Oh, wait, I know why. Okay, so these are the correct materials. But the hair is not the correct material. But why not? Also, I need a new material here, so let's do... material. Wait, I don't need that. I keep forgetting. I now have this. So this is gonna be... Well, let's get the fancy material from the primordial. Because this has some neat stuff in it. So let's do, like, for hats. And this should be 0. And so this will be... Oh wait, no. I need to get... Let's do... So this means that every hair scene needs to have a script like this. So this is our hair. So let's do like export node path our hair mesh node, and then like function or like our mesh. Or let's do like so where's hair? If hair now, if o dot mesh dot set surface material 0 hair material. And then we'll be able to control the hair color eventually at some point. I'll just have it be like a gradient that you can set. But this way, I should be able to control this texture. So I can do like, let's make this unique. And then let's make it like go to like from blue to like green. And eventually I'll switch that back because it looks nicer with the red. But what I want to test is the proof of concept here. This is getting hard to follow. But basically, her hair should be green, is the long and short of all this. So let's just test that. Not quite. Oh, okay. It's, and this will be a disgusting shade of green. It'll be just awful. Okay, looks good. But is it... Ah. Exactly what I feared. What if I get this and make this unique? And then we do, you know, the red color here. So I'm gonna go back to that. And so here, it should be... okay, whatever. Whatever then, fine. I guess it's not gonna be... Okay, get this thing. Click it. Godot, please. Godot, please let me click the hair. Okay, let's go through this one by one. So I need to make this unique. And then I need to make this unique. And then if I get this color, eventually, it's very difficult to edit these things. Like, it's very awkward. Like, if I click this, it hides. And then if I have to, like... Okay, let's see. So in here, the hair gradient, the hair material is different now. So here it's all weird and green. So if we go back into here, it should set the material to the hair material. A wild tangle. A simple dress. Purple eyes. Green skin. Is that, what was that? Yeah, okay. So that's the right material. The eyes are not the right face, though. The eyes are not the right thing. So I need the, oh, that's because I can't, that's because it's not the, okay, it's not that. It's, full body / mum _ head dot mesh. It's a disaster. Okay, so let's do that again. So I need the wild tangle. Let's do the cool shirt. Let's do the purple eyes. Let's do, don't remember, default skin. So it'll be basically a ghost white. Do her eyebrows use the same... Oh, her eyebrows are using the default material. Okay, so her eyebrows also need that, let's do mum. Let's go to, no, let's go to dynamic character. Hair and eyebrows. For and equals eyebrows. Oh wait, no. And I don't need custom physics for the eyebrows because that'd be too complicated to set up. Okay. So what am I going to do? I'm going to do, I guess, a wild tangle, pants, simple dress? No. Pants, purple eyes, and don't remember. So her eyebrows now are controlled by the hair texture. So I think they just happen to work reasonably well, because they are pretty close to just the root color. So they're just going to be relatively dark, probably all the time. So I could probably make different shapes of eyebrows that have the UV coordinates at different places in the hair gradient, so that way you could have eyebrows that are typically the root color, or eyebrows that are like closer to the tip color, or like the mid color, or anything like that. But anyway, okay, so that gives me that. Let's make the hair color look nicer here, somewhere. Because it doesn't feel like, it doesn't respect me. Oh wait, no, that's the wrong thing. Do I want... Why is it 0.1? It should be like... right there. Maybe a little finer. And I may want to have the detail be something that can be swapped out. But okay. Tons and tons and tons of stuff. Let's do a hair color. So this will be, I guess, a gradient texture. Zero. Hair. Texture. Right now. No. So now what I can do is and then eventually well, hang on. Let's go to the UV editor. Let's go to, do I have the hair? I guess I don't. So now we need, I know. Wait, I know. That'll work much better. And we have these beautiful, disgusting little things. So let's make them, like, work here. Kind of. I mean, I don't really need these to just stick out all the way, since they're going to be hidden by all the other stuff, but I'd prefer if they did, anyway. Which way does this go? I guess it goes... I need this to be... hang on. I'm here.texture. Let's do an image texture. Open outfits. Can I open this? Can I open this folder? No, I cannot open this folder. This folder is not allowed. This folder is illegal to open. Even though this is the folder I want to open. Oh wait, no, it doesn't exist anymore. Okay, that's why. Alright, so we need project, I guess it's gonna be an outfit's hair now? Yeah, this hair palette. It like chooses at random which one I pick. Let's make this mostly like here, I guess. It's driving me crazy. It's mocking me. Also, I should have done this just more uniformly, because right now, because like I can control this with the gradient texture, like I should have done. Just a smooth, because I remember I did a gradient here, and then this is all white. Like that's just wasted space. That's just wasted detail. Let's... Good enough. Oh, I just realized a nice thing about having these as separate objects, or separate files, is now I don't have to reload this scene to see the changes. Also, I guess those ones are in the right place. And now, let's see what it looks like. So now I can get the regular hair, and if I load it, it'll set the material properly. So let's go to, so she'll have the shawl, and everything else will be the same. And then, she has purple hair, yep, because it's set to purple. She has no eyes, and she has, other things. And the ghost white skin, and the white dress, and the way overloaded exposure. Okay, this is turning out. What did I all do? Hair? Yeah, that seems about like a good, details and a hair, I think. Who knows? So now the hair and the eyebrows and the hat are all controlled properly. Let's see. I'm gonna take 5. So I'm gonna just stretch a little bit. That's the wrong button. There's not even this camera isn't even running anymore. But anyway, let's. I'll be back in a second, or like 3 or 4 minutes. I sure hope today is Labor Day. It'd be awkward to explain why I wasn't at work if it isn't. Anyway, what am I doing? So I have the hair color system almost in place. Consistent skin subsurface and UV, that's going to be tricky but important. Consider splitting face and body skin, that'd be good. Custom eyebrow shapes and colors, those are now implemented basically. Currently I only have yes or no on eyebrows, but they work. And I think having them strictly be, or having their colors strictly be a matter of like, you know, brightness and darkness along the color gradient of the hair makes the most sense to me. Textures, custom mouth texture, make the various outfits and properties. Writing for the initial meeting with Mum. Let's do the skin, I think. I wonder if I can get the, so let's do vertex paint maybe? Solid? I don't get it. Didn't I set this to like a color? There's somebody like... People arguing this. You know what? I'll close the window. I don't want to hear it. I don't actually know if they're arguing or not. They could just be talking loudly. Let's see, but I'm going to rearrange my stuff because I forgot to bring over a second coaster. Okay, whatever. So didn't I swear... How does this work? Because I have objects mode. No, weight paint. Vertex paint. Oh, okay, I see. It was because it was grayed out because I wasn't selecting anything. And this one is white for some reason. And it's... What the hell did I do? Control F. Shade smooth. Then I can vertex paint. Then I can do... Can I, like, color pick the vertexes? Hang on. Because I think they have a dumb system where you can't actually... Like, if you do the color picker here, it's going to be literally the actual, like... Like, that's the actual, like, color of the specular and everything. Not the color of the vertices. Blender, pick, vertex, color. No, this is the wrong thing. How to pick exact color from the vertex. They're talking about gamma correction and stuff. What I want is the... Yeah, this guy doesn't know what he's talking about. Like, literally the issue is... I'm pretty sure what they're explaining is, if you take this... This is the color of the lit... Like, with the lighting and everything. Like, this is the actual, like, color on the screen. Like, if I click this... Yeah, like, I can get the pink. And this person's asking, how do I get the, like, gamma, or how do I get the actual color? But he's talking about, like, gamma correction and stuff, which is not useful. Okay, let's see if I can... What? Oh, okay, so it's because he's talking about... This person's basically changed their question. So they were talking about gamma correction. So this is basically, like, not useful. Okay, so this... I'm pretty sure this is all going to be a waste of time. That's one thing I love about, like, Stack Overflow and things, is, like, the title will be like, how do I do X? And I'm like, great, I need to do X because I need X. And then somebody's like, no, you stupid fucking moron, you should do Y. And then it's like, and then they answer the question for Y, and then it's marked as closed, and then you can never ask it again because it'll be marked as duplicate. Okay. But then if you every time you Google it, it'll be that, like, this is the top result. And it doesn't answer the question. Because he just asked a separate question under the same title. Okay, select vertex color. How do I select a vertex color? Because I want this to have the same vertex colors as this. Maybe I can do a smear. Like that solves the solution. Like, this solves the problem temporarily. So I can just grab it and smear it. But now the question is, how do I get the color from here? Or which one do I need? This one, vertex paint. How do I get the color from here to here? And then how do I get the color from here to somewhere else? Because I'm also going to need this in the other models. Because I want this same exact color, because you can mix and match these, so I don't want them to have, like, different subsurface scattering qualities. Can I do, like, maybe if I do, like, wireframe, that doesn't help. Yeah, that's not gonna help. Alright, whatever. No, not whatever. I need to figure out how to actually do this. Hmm. Has literally nobody on Earth had this? Okay, hang on. Let's search Google. DuckDuckGo, you failed me. Blender, or Google seems to have probably also failed me. Well, maybe this. You can color pick from the tools menu by pressing S. While in vertex mode, press Z so you go to wireframe mode. It doesn't. Okay, so that's not correct. Okay, here we go. Flat. There we go. Seems like an awfully roundabout way to select a color. That's okay. So let's get this as thankfully, I only have this one. Oh, wait, no, I also have the other face. Okay, vertex paint. Okay, there we go. Then I can do primordial head. And also I'm going to grab these and scoot them in a little bit. Because this should never be visible ever. So I can like... Also, this is like a disgusting place for that. I mean, I know that it's not, like, this is supposed to never be visible anyway, so it's like, it doesn't matter that much, but I could at least make it not look so bad. Okay, let's see if the faces and the bodies match now. And then after that, I should make the face and... Well, what do I want to do? Are her... What did I change about her legs? Is she wearing, like, different clothing? Why are her legs intersecting so much with her stuff now? Like, I didn't change the weight painting, did I? You know what? Global lum dots outfit, color, 1.0, 0.6 or 7, 0.3. Do I set clothing? There we go. Whoops, I did the wrong thing. Oh well. Her face seems brighter than her... Yeah, her face seems substantially brighter than her arms and stuff. Did I remember to save this in the right place? Because this might be immortal.glb. Is that the right place? Outfits, heads, primordial? That seems like the right place. Let's do, let's do the skin material. Let's do, mesh no. Directional light. Let's change the skin color. I want this to be darker. Just to test the subsurface mostly. Yeah, it's white. That is not a red color. So how does this vertex paint? It looks correct. Oh wait, it's because oh wait, no, that should be fine. Actually, all of this could be this color. But it's not supposed to be affected by that. Why is this not? Why did it not work? Close all tabs, re-import. Is your face red now? Wait, this doesn't do it. I think it does. Like this? Well, no. That doesn't do anything either. What if I did this? Is that... What does this mean? Oh, I see. Okay, now it seems a little bit red, maybe. But it might be... Let's put this down. Nope. What is the meaning, though? What does it mean? Because this should be... I mean, it's... What I think's got me too antsy is too much caffeine. So I've been drinking too much soda. But it could be a chicken and the egg thing where I have like cyclical mood declines, and then I drink more caffeine, and then the caffeine makes my mood worse. So why? What is the explanation of this? Why is this? Well, hang on. What if I make this just what if I clear this? So why is the mesh white? Because it's not white in here, I don't think. Clear. Does this export still? Does this so this is not the place. This is the place. I'll save that one. Don't save that one. Okay, there we go. Took me a good long while to figure that one out. There we go. Okay. So now this should all work a-okay perfectly. And eventually I'll even get the eyes and stuff all working back together again. Well, I know what I can do, actually. Just grab this. Hair. Hat. Wait, no. There we go. That leaves something to be desired. Let's do, what exactly do I want for this? Maybe like maybe just a slightly unusual shade of like pink, maybe. And where did eye material go? And why did... Huh? Where did her head go? Why did this... Copy this. Head. Paste this like a surgeon. And let's say this is going to be green by default, so that way I know that it's off. And then we can get rid of this. Okay. All right, yeah, I need to change that. So I don't like that skin color. I mean, it's ghostly white, which is interesting, but not also really indicative of her opinion, I guess. All right, so now we have something that decently, like, just a simple version of her, and it does stuff. I'm like losing it. Consistent skin subsurface is in place, but not consistent skin UV. But you know what? I want to give myself a win. So what I'll probably need to do is make some sort of like reference skin mesh, maybe. I guess her, well, hang on, if we go to this. So if we go to here, this basically gives me, so if I hide her dress, we have most of what I would need, because I'm not going to do much with like midriff and stuff like that. Well, I guess I would need the midriff, but otherwise this would be fine. Like, this is basically all that I would need if I keep room for midriff. It's very difficult to imagine a human body that would like connect these two components. Like, she has even more exaggerated proportions than Jackie. But okay. So let's do UV editor. Because this is going to be... Let's just do like a... What is this? This is matte skin. Let's unwrap this. I want that. There we go. So we got do I want to apply this mirror modifier? I guess I could. Because then I can have... Yeah, I should do that, actually. Apply that. This, I don't need. Because I can do, well, do I actually use it for anything? Why can't I go down any further? Let's do that. So that gives me the sharp edges wherever I used them, which I don't think I used. Really anywhere. But okay. Now let's unwrap again. I don't know what these disgusting things are, but they're presumably probably fingers. What are all of these things? Like, I think this must be like the heel, or no, it couldn't be the heel. Ah, well, I'll figure that out soon. Because these are the feet, clearly. Yeah, so I guess these have to be like the heel. Yeah, okay. So this is the top of the foot, then it wraps around. So I guess this would actually be the right foot. This would be the left foot, maybe? Yeah, I think that's what it is. And these will be mostly symmetrical, but with the option of being asymmetrical. And they'll generally be almost completely flat color, just because they don't actually need to be anything. What is this bit? Oh, this is the neck. Okay. Let's put that up here. So this is what? This is the bottom of the right foot. Actually, check this out. What if I move this one unit up and then right there? Trying to keep these as symmetrical as possible. So if I just like decide to like grab it and like fiddle with it, it'll almost work. Or like what I mean is if I put it in the ace or the symmetrical mode in Krita and then just draw stuff, I'd like it to work by default. So let's make sure that all of these have like the same like reference points. So like I think this one 2 down right here. Yeah. The only question would be these two. Which are the legs, and they don't have, there's not really much going on with those. And I just realized I might have fiddled with this one too much. Let's put it actually all the way out here. Okay, so these are approximately symmetrical as well. And these are some weird, freaky thing from the hand, some like bizarro, like yeah, you know, they kissy right here. Like two ships passing in the night that kiss each other. And look like some sort of weird creature without a head. Yep, almost symmetrical by default. Okay. So that is now how the all things work, I guess. I don't know. Let's export this UV layout. This is going to be like skin reference. Oh wait, hang on. I need a place for the midriff, if that ever exists. So we need more space in here. What if I got each of these? What did I just do? Oh, okay, I see. I have to be very careful to not press the H button, which is conveniently right next to G, which is the button I'm literally always pressing 10,000 times a second. So how many is it from here? 1, 2, 3. I pressed it again. I pressed it again. Okay, G. I almost pressed it a third time. I could feel it. I was like inches away from pressing it. So where am I going to move stuff? Let's put this right here. So that's the very bottom corner right there. Does this give me the space where I need it? Because this gives me this little bit of room, so I could do, I don't know, put a midriff in here. I guess that's fine. Well, I know. I don't know what I'll use it for. Nothing. I'm tired of working on that. And also I'm tired of pressing Alt-Tab when I mean Control Space. That's all perfect. That's beautiful. It's exactly where I want everything. That's good enough, as they say. Export this UV. So this will be like our skin reference UV. So in the eventual... I know. Maybe I could put her face right here. Maybe? Nah, I'll keep that as it is. Because I just realized also I need the, I just realized I actually need this down. Because her neck could lead into, because her chest has some skin exposed in the other outfit. In fact, I need these to be off to the side. Let's do like there. So I think that's right where it is. Yeah. And then this one is right below it. Somewhere like here or something. Then let's do, I guess, right here. So that leaves space for the torso. I did that the right image, right? I did. Okay. Right resolution. Okay, and all of that was so that I can get this. And I can do, let's open an image. Can't cancel that. Skin reference. So let's unwrap this. So I guess it'll be like, oh, this goes over here. Yeah, it attaches in the same places, actually. And for now, get those out of here. Yeah, because this is based on the same model. Oh. Put those over somewhere, right there. Yeah, so this is what I was talking about. This is the extra torso. Well, I guess it's just significantly larger than her original neck. So maybe I just need to make this like part of the reference then. I'll just probably have like just a bunch, well, almost all of this is going to be the same color anyway. But I guess like that, probably fine. Because this is only going to be used for blemishes. Because it's going to be the, so it shouldn't need to perfectly tile if I'm sparse with the, unless, like, the character's, like, covered in freckles, then it'd be an issue. So, like, here. I should figure out if this is the top of the hand or the palm. Because one of these is going to be, one of those is going to be completely screwed up. Like, that's like, whatever that is. I think that's like the entirety. I think this must be the palm then, because this is like the entirety of the thumb. Yeah, that's like all of this stuff. And that's the, oh, yuck. It's the entire index finger here. And then this is the inner thing. Thankfully, this is almost entirely flat. And yeah, so I've decided also officially her face is going to have her own UV maps. Okay. Nope. That's all good. So we have consistent skin UV, and we're going to have distinct, or like consistent face UV. So that means that I've got the skin UV, and I have the, wherever I did, consider splitting face and body skin textures. Splitting iris color from eye set. Do I need to do that, though? I guess I probably do. Also, I want an eye color that's almost black, so I'm going to get my iris colors again. Oh, do I not have the... I don't think I have any eyes. Or I don't think I kept the iris texture. Oh well. We'll just go to assets. No. Project. Outfits, eyes? Yeah, so I need... Let's take this as a base. So there's going to be two separate things. One is Jackie won't know her mom's eye color, and by default, I guess she'll assume it's like black. So it's just going to be like... But once she does know it, it'll be... Oh yeah, now we're in the Near Automata soundtrack. Because we just finished the Transistor soundtrack. Do I want... Because I could do something eerie. What do I want? I want a little bit more edge to this. Because I'm not sure if I want this at all. Because it could just be interesting if it was just like a black. Let's see what that looks like. So this is eye color unknown. But she knows something about her personality. Because the like completely black eyes are for like she doesn't really know anything about her personality. Because that's what the eyes are mostly indicative of, like, I don't know, mood? What the hell did I just do? What did I just do? Why did that, what the fuck? Driving me crazy. Okay, but let's see the iris here. Let's see what that looks like. It's disabled. I see it's disabled. What the fuck is it doing? I should probably take a break pretty soon, I think. But okay, I have black irises, which are pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna make... Let's get the eye set. And let's get that out of here. So we need... That looks good. Primordial eyes. That looks good. So they have nothing there. And then we'll have... So we're gonna do... Oh wait, let's do like... Rename... Neutral set. And then like black or shadowed set. So we're gonna need our iris color now. So now I can actually do all sorts of things. So I'm gonna do so all of these are now going to set this, and then we're going to do set clothing iris, eyes / iris underscore purple .png. Okay, and then Iris will be a special little boy. So we go like Iris. And then if Iris in outfit okay, and then we'll do here. I guess it'll do iris null. Shoulder. I don't know if I've ever talked about it on stream, but when I was in college, I broke my collarbone doing judo. And the thing about a collarbone is that you can either do surgery or nothing. Like, there's no, like, you can't put it in a cast because it's like your shoulder. You're just, the best you can do is put your arm in a sling and just not do anything with your arm and let it heal. But it heals. Like, my shoulder healed back like a... You know when you break a sapling and it stays together, but there's like a shard? That was what my bone looked like on the x-ray. So there's like a shard of bone pointing directly underneath my skin. And even today, I can feel a pretty prominent lump where it like filled in with bone as it healed. So what am I doing? Let's give her blue eyes. What color is her skin? I don't remember. So she should have blue eyes. I can't really see them. Maybe I need like a free cam. I think they're blue. I can just get off of this and I can... Oh. I can just do, let's do the shawl. Let's do the simple dress. Let's do black eyes. I don't remember. So this should... Okay. I mean, I like... Honestly, I personally kind of like... just, like, really dark eyes like that. Oh, yeah, I forgot. She has a direction light. Does she? Wait, hang on. There's no light here. Why is this so bright? Like, it's, like, ridiculously bright in here. Is it, like... Is it just the directional light? I mean, let's get that, like, a little bit more... Let's calm that down a little bit. Because this room is not designed for that as well. Actually, I just had a great idea. I'm going to duplicate one of these. I'm going to put a ceiling on this dang thing. So that way it's not so bright in here. There we go. Okay, so now I have irises that are separate from the eye color. Works pretty well. And honestly, I kind of like the look of the game without any real shadows because of my... Because I have that weird little ambient light shader. So it's just a smooth gradient. Or like a... Yeah, from top to bottom. It's like if I were doing like a lower fidelity game where I didn't want any lighting at all, for example, that's probably what I'd do. Also, I want this to have a nice material now. Let's do... Is this... No. Let's do triplanar. Wrong button. Because I want to see the actual shadows here. See, doesn't this look much better? Because my shadows, my fake drop shadows, are basically like... They only work on my materials because I have a special case for negative light. So like on these ones, for example, it basically doesn't show up at all unless you get into something that's darker. And it like, you know, applies to specularity and stuff. And so it's all messed up. It's part of why I want to do deferred rendering, because I basically anytime I make a shader, I just have to make sure to, or anytime I change the lighting is the real insufferable part, because I have to change every single shader that I have separately to use the same lighting code. Most of the time, mostly the same, but sometimes different. But if I just had it all deferred... Why is her dress so shiny? And I still don't get why her legs suddenly started clipping through her dress. Like, that was not... That didn't happen before, but now it does. But that's probably just... You know, let's put that on the to-do list. It'll be somewhere in here. Is it part of this? But let's say that I did that. And let's say, fix dress weight painting looks bad and clips. So I think for now, I'm just gonna do one mouth texture, honestly, for now. So I guess I need another export. Material, var mouth material. And we'll do, oh yeah, I already have mouth in here. Do I actually have the skin texture yet? I don't. Right, because the most prominent one is going to be, I guess, clean skin, and then sun-damaged face, clean skin, and then scarred hands. Let's update this to better textures for the cool edgy outfit. So yeah, let's make the little mouth plane, because I only need this for, currently I only need it for the, let's save this, for like the default mum head. So this will have new mouth. Alright, so I need, okay, let's, now we gotta do the unenviable tasks of hide this. Getting her face to have UVs in a pleasant way. I guess I'll do like, let's do like back to here maybe, and then up to like here. Like this is basically one thing. This is just going to be whatever it is. Well, I guess this part, let's mark a scene here. So this underjaw, will be moderately important, I guess. Okay, so now we need to apply that. Don't need an edge split there. For now, let's see how close I can get to actually like centering this. Just do like right there. Oh, wait, this is just the top of the head. I don't need this to do anything. Like, I'll just put that, like, here, I guess. Like, this is the jaw, so it'll have a little bit more care put into it. And actually, well, let's make this a little bit bigger. Like, this is the face, for God's sake. Like, it's gotta be... You know, you gotta put some weight behind that. Because how else will people see every individual, like, freckle and stuff? Say, there. Wait, where is this? Oh, right here. Okay. Very close in. And I don't give too much of an interest, or I don't care too much about this, but I'll put these symmetrically at least. I have no idea what this even is. Actually, you know what? Well, no. This is fine. That'll go there. And I have no idea what this is. This might be the one of these is the interior ear, and I should give that one some more prominence. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay, so that is the reference for the face. So let's do UV export. Face reference UV. Actually, I do need actually, before I go too far with this, while we're here, do I want more space here, or do I think, well, I think this could do, I think this could be a little bit bigger up. Yeah, I think that's good. Well, let's center it a little bit. So I'll make those mouth textures square, and we'll see what that looks like when I do it. Oh wait, I forgot to actually like assign this, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, eventually that'll have stuff. Eventually this will have stuff. What is this? Why am I mixing stuff? What am I mixing? Oh, okay. So this should be head. Full body? There we go. Good enough. Okay, so let's see this in the game. Do I want the albedo color here? And the answer is no. But I guess, oh no, this isn't, okay, that's not the albedo, but we need mouth material. And we need a mouth texture. So let's really splurge on this one. Actually, let's not splurge so much. I'm trying to keep this basically as resource constrained as possible because reasons, basically. And then we'll do blur. No, wait, no. Yeah, no. Yeah, we will do blur. Because I'm going to do the same things that I've done for the other ones. This is going to make the alpha clip nicer. Assets. So is it going to be bits now? Okay. Mouth one. Outfits. Mouth. So it's kind of pursed lips, a little bit. Let's copy this. So I'm going to put it on our head. I don't know how none of the other stuff works, but I will. Or like why it's... oh well. I won't fiddle with it too much. Okay, let's see if I can make this look a little bit better. I don't think this does anything. Maybe because it's the iris texture? What if I did... Do I have, like, whites? Ah, well. Oh, wait, no, this is the alpha clip. So you can see that's not terribly impressive, but... I don't care too much about this one. Let's keep that one at 0.75. So basically the mouth will disappear after a certain distance. And it aliases like hell, too. But that's okay. And so eventually this will not be centered, because it has, So it'll be slightly different, but that's okay. Okay, so let's do if mouth in outfit mouth material dot set shader param. How does it'll be main texture outfit dot mouth. And the default mouth, I'll just set it to what I want it to be. So it'll be string mouth object mouth one pursed. Add that. And so that will be just there for all of them. And soon, cool stuff. Oh yeah, I also need to do the blemishes now, but that's okay. So let's do the shawl. Let's do simple dress. I want pink eyes, and I want regular skin, or the reddish color that I use by default. Her eyes do not have... Why do they not have that? Oh, it's because there's no... Okay, it's not called bright purple. It's called purple bright. So yeah, this purple. And that also would explain this, because this is purple normal. I'm going to raise the volume of the music a little bit. I'll regret that soon, but that's okay. So she has a doll and a simple dress, and there'll be the pink eyes. Let's see what she looks like. Look at that. She has her thing, she has her little mouth. She's making a face at me. Because of the resolution and the distance, I literally cannot see her face. That's actually going to be a cause for concern now that I think about it. I think a more advanced thing that I could try is having it so the camera is centered halfway between both the characters. I'm gonna see about that. Let's just put that in dynamic dialogue or something. Where's my dialogue stuff? Yeah, dynamic dialogue. Sound effects, walking dialogue, animation previews. Let's do center camera in between player and relevant characters. This means I have to track the actual nodes of the speakers. which I currently don't do. But I guess I could just grab the main speaker in the player as a, like, workaround. So yeah, then I could move the actual origin point, like, there. Which could jank it out if you're talking to something that doesn't have a location or something like that, but oh well. Because that way, like, she's so far away that you can't really see anything of her. So I may want to figure out, like, better camera location. I already regret the, let's bump that down a few percent. Okay. But we have mouth now. Let's keep it there for now. So we have mouth texture, I think. Let's go back to the V3 stuff. Fixed dress, weight painting, consistent face UI, custom mouth textures. I can do it. I only have one right now, and that's fine. I don't know what other ones I'm gonna do so far. Maybe something for when she talks, but I don't do anything for when Jackie talks. That'd be weird if, like, she's, well, I guess it makes sense if Jackie's mom is the most HD character in the game. She is the most important one. So test character. Well, let's keep that. Well, dude, I don't need to know that. That's just an implicit given. I'll just say that was building the test setup that I have here. Wait, do I remember to set the... I don't set the mouth texture, do I? Mouth material. Hair... dynamic character. So we need head. If m.get surface material count greater than 2, m.set surface material to mouth material. So let's make the face UVs consistent, because now I need to go to primordial. Let's get the UVs. Oh no, it is in here. Damn it. Face reference. And I guess for these, I don't need them to be that detailed. So I can do, like, I can just, like, I don't have to apply the mirror modifier all the time. If they're going to be, well, if she has asymmetrical, yeah, okay, I think I actually do. Because she might have asymmetrical blemishes, which are the more important thing. Let's see if I can remember where these are, actually. Is it like this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this is the right place here. And then there's none of this weirdness in here, but I don't know if that's because I just like go up here, or oh wait, no, it's because it's here. And then honestly, yeah, those are good. Oh. And then I can do, I mean, honestly, I can just do whatever else I want with this. Let's just unwrap that, see how it looks. Get these out of here. Is this differently proportioned? I guess it could be. Oh yeah, I guess, well, I guess it would be slightly different proportions, but that's okay. Because the main thing I want is the detail in here, because that's going to be probably the only place where there's actually anything interesting happening. What is this? I don't think this is anything interesting, because I think this is just this stuff. But I also separated it out. Well, I think I did get a little bit more jaw. I do appreciate how these are almost always like a 90-degree angle from perfectly like aligned the way that I want it to be. Oh, these are screwed up. Ah, well. Okay, so I think this... Yes, that was re-imported. Good. Because then I can go through, and I'm going to do skin blemish. So let's do the face texture now. I don't need these. Like this, like it's clearly, it's basically just explained here what I'm doing. And so when we set the skin color, that'll be... And honestly, the more important thing than the skin color is the face, or the skin texture is face texture. So let's try this. But I'm going to make this unique. And that might work. So that means I should be able to edit this. Oh yeah, also the face now needs to have this, so let's copy this one. Okay, but this does mean that that isn't editing, so that is correct. Paste that. So I don't know why that keeps disappearing, but that's okay. But okay, so now I can play with this all that I want. It does everything that I want it to. Yeah, I don't know what the deal is with the textures disappearing though. I don't like that. Like, am I clearing out with, like, textures? I don't get it. Because this isn't a tool script anymore. Ah, well. I'll just ignore it until it becomes a problem. Okay, so now when face texture is in here. Let's keep all those together. So we need, in the outfit, face texture. Okay, so let's try some, like, skin, some like sun damage on the face, basically. So if we go to assets, characters, dynamic mom, face reference. Project outfits. I guess we can just put it into head, and it'll be just like face sun damaged. And this will be no, some crazy stuff in here. Right, let's get a sort of like very dark reddish orangish brown. I actually need a little bit more of this. Okay, so we're gonna do, oh wait, I need one of these. Maybe, is this gonna work? I guess it's working okay. It's very subtle though. And I may want to do more with that at some point, but I won't for now. And do a little bit above the eyebrows. And this will be asymmetrical, which will be one of the first, this will be one of the first, like, actual, like, face textures. Yeah, very, very subtle. Or it should be. Alright, let's go to the skin texture. Let's get, a, like, normal skin color, normal-ish. And then we're gonna do skin, face, sun damaged. I'm gonna do like a more red color. Did I? Yeah. Almost there. What if I made it really pink? Is this doing anything? Oh, I see. It's because I didn't hide this properly. All right, let's make this like blue actually, now that I think about it. Or like, yeah, because now we have something interesting going on. And that's probably gonna look a little weird here. Yeah, that's a little bad. But I think if I do, at some point this will look like skin with sun damage and not like just dirt on her face. I think it might need just more attention to the nose and less attention on the cheeks. And less here as well, I think. So this is going to be probably just pretty simple. Or a pretty subtle effect. Oh, wait. Probably should have gone with a bigger texture, honestly. I mean, it is the face texture. And it's heavily deformed in the nose. Did I make the UV and then scale up the nose? Is that what happened? Ah, well. It's probably okay. Can I make... What if I made her skin darker? Would that... This is not terribly realistic skin color. But okay, I'll say that's okay looking. Set clothing, face texture. Head/face sun image.png. So now, if we go back to here, I should be able to see very subtly some sun damage if we say that I see sun damage. So she has Wild Tangle. Oh wait, no. Hang on. I need the shawl to see her full face. Simple dress. Let's do, like, brown. And I don't remember the skin color, and I think she had sun damage. Not quite. Face texture. Oh, it's because it's a special thing. And this way, I just set that as the first question, so I don't have to go through all of them to test this. Alright, so let's do that. Backspace. Oh wait, no, this will make it so that she has her funky eyes. But does she have any skin damage? I don't see any. Oh wait, do I set this face material? I do set the face material. Is there anything here? I do see this. Okay. That's all good. So I think she had sun damage and she had a shawl. Oh wait, no, that'll still be no eyes, though. Yeah, I don't see anything. I don't see any special thing. So I want her eyes up here. So that way I can test this really quick. So sun damage, shawl, purple eyes, simple dress, green skin. I don't think the green skin was the right play here. Okay, but I do see it though. Okay, it's very subtle. But yeah, you can see little bitty freckles. So I may want to make that a little bit more prominent. Not super prominent though. So let's do like, what if I did like this, very low, maximum opacity though. Is any of this registering? I know what I need. I need the, this one. Maybe. Eh, that looks okay. I don't like how mushy her nose got though in the UV map. Right, let's also see if her so if we go to head and we go to primordial. I mean, looks okay. And this one, not correct, but that's okay because it'd be there. So what is this? What are the surfaces here? Oh, okay. This is because there's subsurface scattering. Okay. So if I like removed this, that didn't do what I wanted. Doesn't this have? Hang on. Okay, these are all the right shade. And for now, I'll just say, let's just put in like V next. Or like whenever I... So let's say this is not going to be a V3. This is going to be visual make weak UV for face. Nose is too squished. So I don't know what I'll do. Maybe I'll just I mean, I should probably do that soon. Oh well, I don't care. Consistent UV, scars and blemishes. So better textures, various outfits, writing the initial meeting. Fix the dress weight painting. Tweak UV for face. Yeah, and I'll do that later. So why is this can ship but won't... What is this? What did I mean by this? How mum changes is like... I guess it's not really V3 though. Okay, so I think... Oh wait, did I remember to save? Oh well. Actually, let's double check. It looks this... Oh wait, no. Scars and blemishes. Well... I do think I want the scars on the rest of her arms. So I guess I'll go through her skin reference. And I don't know, just scribble some like scars onto it all over the place. Well, it'd probably be mostly the hands and the arms. I guess I'll do that. This is going to be project, outfits, I guess full body, skin, arms, small scars. And we'll have just itty bitty like, let's get this to be like this. Or even like that maybe? So I'm gonna do a sort of... This has to be pretty low opacity though. I guess maybe this. This is gonna look terrible, I think. Yeah, I don't know how to make scars that look good. I'll have to probably look this up. I don't know, just like little itty bitty tiny things here. Because it's supposed to be like she was climbing and grabbing stuff and like just cutting up her arms regularly from just activity rather than like specific. Like she wasn't like I guess they're not self-harm scars, I should say. But I don't know how to convey. Well, she did a bunch of stuff otherwise. Also, I just realized what I would like, actually, is for her palms to be slightly lighter as her skin gets darker. So I'll have to figure out how to do that nicely. Alright, I'm just going to do... So these are going to be really subtle, maybe, for now. By 12 by 512, I think. I don't think these even exist anymore. Oh, I guess they do. But okay. For this, I need, why does it... It just disappears. It just keeps fucking disappearing, and I don't get it. Like, what do I do? What am I doing wrong with this thing? Like, these materials should stay here. They should be here. And let's do, like, small scars. So, like, if I do this, I could do with more knuckle stuff. So yeah, there's knuckle stuff on her right hand, but I think she would be, well, oh wait, I guess, oh wait, I see. Okay, but hang on. Let's add a black background here. Okay, that gives me a lot more to work with. So I want more, like... Where's mine? There it is. Why is this so big? So this should be like... And I think a few knuckle scars on her other hand as well. But not as much, because she punches with her right hand, I guess. I don't know if those look like anything. It looks more like some sort of weird, like either stretch marks or like, let's do like a gray, maybe? Because they might be hard to see as well on different... I guess I gotta figure out... Yeah, because that just looks like dirt or something. Because if I look at scars on my hand, you know, just the little ones, they're pretty light still. So I do think that's the correct play. And just because I'm curious, what does it look like if I save it like this? Oh, she's just kind of blue. Like you can see a little bit of impression of that. Very subtle. Maybe, you know what, I want to do some fun. Let's do like, I some moles on here as well, maybe. Just like little brown dots. I got a lot of like moles and tiny flat moles. I don't know what the actual name for them is. My mom called them angel kisses. But I think that's just like a fun name for them. I think they're just regular moles, but they're flat. Or like tiny. And then maybe like one on her neck or something. Or like here. Oh wait. Oh god damn it. No wonder that looks so bad. I was painting on the background layer. Okay, so can I get this? Let's do like here, I guess, maybe. I guess like, what is this, the front of the foot? I guess I'll put one there. And that'll give me like a marker. I don't know, would she have these? Are these going to be like endemic to the area? And would she have moles on her face then as well? Ah, well. I'll say that's good enough. Like a subtle, just little bit of extra. Full body slash skin arms. Well, what if I just call it skin scars small.png? So I'm going to save this as that because I don't need to specify that the arms have small scars because everything, well, yeah, I'll do that anyway. So let's delete this one, or delete this one, just so there's a little bit less typing in my life. And otherwise, it'll be default. Okay, so now I can set her face and her hands separately. That would mean, though, if she had scars and sun damage, I would still need a separate texture that has both of those. Oh well. And I think the next things I need are the hairstyle. So let's go back to this. Maybe. If the mouse will cooperate. Geez Louise. The computer is dying yet again. It's like literally not functioning. Geez Louise, game. Just calm down, I guess. Okay, so we need, this is done. This is done. The music got much quieter. Okay, so we got those and those. So we could do the eye textures. That'd be pretty easy and pretty fun. And so these are still basically where they were. And I could do some more eyebrow work, but I don't want to. And I don't want to model a pair of sandals. That sounds like a lot of work. Okay. I don't know why these... Oh, wait. These are no longer... Okay, they are this. Neutral set. And then primordial set is somewhere. So if I can, like... Oh, I know why it might be. I think it's because as I reorganize stuff, there's more failures, I think. Or, like, it fails to load things when I start the main game. Let's see, she had some sun damage. She had a shawl. She had small scars on her knuckles. She had black eyes. She wore a simple dress. She had non-specific skin. Going to be very subtle to see these, though. Like, do I set the skin texture at all? What's the errors? Ah, that's okay. Okay, so do I set the skin texture in here? I do. So that should work if I'm setting it to what exists. Oh wait, hang on. I need some sort of like marker that they have more influence. Does she have... I don't see them, but I also don't think... Let's see, let's just set that there, and we'll break on it. So what is the outfit skin texture? Resource path skin clear. Incorrect. Not correct. Wrong and not right. So this skin texture, full body / skin scars small.png. Oh, skin small scars. Well, I don't like that. And I think I'm gonna just close, well, let's save this. Alright, I think that's good for now. Oh wait, I pressed the wrong button. Invalid get into... Oh, that's not good. Okay, let's do this again. So she had sun damage. She wore shawl. She had small scars. She had the cool pink eyes. She had a simple dress, and she had no skin. Yeah, I completely screwed up her weight painting somehow. Like, I don't even know what I did. I don't know what I did to it. But okay, is there anything... Okay, I think I see a mole. Or is that like a bit of dirt? No, okay. That little dot right there. Not to be confused with this tiny dot, which is only on my screen. Which is from a tiny bit of dirt. I got it. That's the downside of having a laptop, is you get the keyboard dirty, and then you close it, and then the screen is dirty too. But okay, but that's very subtle. Which I suppose that's what it is. I'll have to have some means of examining her, I think. Or like looking at her closely while you're in the chair. Maybe like a first-person view. I have been thinking of using first-person at some points. Okay, there we go. I don't know what this thing does anymore, but oh well. Okay, so what am I going to call it a day here? I wonder. Cuz I can feel myself basically wearing out. Yeah, you know what? This has been like 6 hours of work today. That's decent. Well, actually, closer to like I guess 6 is about right. 3.5 now, 2.5 then. But okay, let's get our stuff done. So I guess now I can cross off blemishes and scars. And I guess next it'll be probably the room variations. And like the initial scene. Oh yeah, let's do like different animations. Affect and animations. So that won't be part of the outfit anymore. That'll be like code. Or no, not code. That'll be like just changing the script on the entry, I guess. Because I think the rest... Because this outfit code... Eventually, I'm going to probably generalize this stuff to all be stuff that can be changed for, like, a human character. Just any human character. Because, like, it all is there. So then what I would probably want is somebody... I don't think I have the time to actually make enough models to support human characters, though. So that would probably be something where I would just pay somebody money to do it. So I don't know, I guess I'll... At that point, I'll probably have to start trying to figure out funding for the game. Either something like Patreon or just talking to like a publisher or something. Ah well. It's a mess. Video games are messy. I'll get all this stuff committed. Let's see, so next week it'll be, I guess, more of this stuff, more room variations, and then writing out the reasons that all of this stuff exists. See you then, I guess.